Scenario 3C. At this point, we have already leveraged the Store Manager tool to import the entitlements related to a target system. We are going to have a manager or any requester have the ability to make multiple requests for their direct reports or other users within the organization. They would enter the Identity Enforcer module. They are logged in as themselves and managing themselves. They have the capability of managing an individual user, or in this scenario, they will be managing multiple users and making a multi-request. In this request, they will then be presented with the available users that they have access to manage. Once again, this can be based off of delegation. For scenario 3C, the use case is to manage direct reports. We'll do a filter, go ahead and select a few users, add these users to the selection, and move to the next screen. We can now go ahead and select from the available roles within the application. These can consist of multiple entitlements consolidated to a single role. We can also go ahead and add multiple roles at one time or a single role. We also provide the ability for the requester to request multiple privileges. Privileges are the more granular level entitlements that are used to make up a role. If the user's account does not exist in one of these target systems, the account will be provisioned after the final approval. We provide capabilities for the requester to set the effective date when the access will be granted, as well as the expiration date. For this use case, we will provide a 60-day assignment of these entitlements. We also will be required to put in a justification of why they are needing to have this particular access. We also will automatically create a password based on the password configuration for the target system if required, or based on configuration, we can allow the user to enter a password. It is obviously best to use a randomly generated password. The final screen provides the user the capabilities to see a summary overview of all of the selected users, the selected roles, and the selected privileges that will be requested for all of these individual users. Once the user goes through and finishes this, they will then be presented with another quick summary screen to outline the number of requests for how many users, and now these are in a queue that will go in and begin the processing. We can look at the history and see that we have a number of different items that are in a queue that may be looking for some type of action or approval. Thank you.